all been there, looking in the mirror, frustrated with our hair, and wondering how to fix it now. Whether it's split ends, dryness, frizz, or stubborn flyaways, we just want something that works. And that's why today I'm sharing with you 8 incredible products that can instantly transform your hair. No gimmicks, only results. So let the quest begin. Split ends are the bane of every hair lover's existence. No product can actually fix your split ends. When it's split. But there's hope. A good hair oil can work wonders to hide split ends and make it look healthier and shinier in seconds. Take a small amount, warm it in your hands, and lightly apply it to your ends. It smooths the frayed edges and creates a sleek finish. Think of it like a temporary makeover for your split ends until your next trim. Let's talk about frizz and flyaways. The main culprit: humidity. Your hair absorbs moisture from the environment. If the air is too humid, your hair gets frizzier. Solution: a leave-in bond repair conditioner or frizz serums. For example, Living Proof No Frizz Instant Defrizzer, Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, or the Meka Smooth Over Frizz Fighting Treatment Mask. For those of you who has damaged hair, listen up. Damaged hair often has holes in its structure, making it dry and prone to breakage. And to fix this, you need Bond Repair Pre-Shampoo treatment. It's like a repair kit for your hair. For example, one of my favorites, L'Oreal Elvive Bond Repair Pre-Shampoo treatment or Retinol Acidic Bonding Concentrate. Apply it to hair before showering, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then wash your hair as usual. Follow up with a hair conditioner or mask and your hair will feel healthier and stronger immediately. Trust me, it works and it's a game changer. If you're using heat tools without a heat protectant, then what are you doing? Stop doing everything else. Heat damage is real. But what if I told you that heat protectant can do more than protecting from heat? Redkill's Thermal Spray 22 or L'Oreal Paris Elvive Dream Lens Heat Slayer Protection not only guards against heat but also leaves your hair shinier, smoother, and more resistant to humidity. Apply a light mist evenly through your hair before styling and then brush it through to distribute. You'll be amazed to see how much better your hair looks immediately. If flat hair is your problem, then let me introduce you to the Color Wow Raise the Root Thicken Lift Spray. This product coats your roots with an invisible layer, lifting your hair to give you the fuller, thicker look without weighing it down. Spray it onto damp roots and blow dry for an instant volume boost. It's perfect for those who want salon-level volume at home. Let's debunk a myth about hair porosity. Whether your hair is high or low porosity, it can be benefited from a leave-in conditioner. It creates a protective barrier around your hair, conditioning it and preventing humidity from entering. After washing your hair, apply a generous amount of leave-in conditioner to the lengths and ends. Not only will your hair feel softer, but it will also stay silkier for longer. L'Oreal Elvive Bond Repair Leave-In Serum is my go-to product in this category. So there you have it, 6 amazing products that can transform your hair with just one use. Whether you have split ends, dry, frizz, flatness, anything, there's something for everyone. What's your biggest hair concern? Have you tried any of these products? Please let me know in the comment box below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such skincare and hair care tips. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Love the skin you're in. This is our Diba signing off today from Diba's Quest. Today I'm sharing 6 incredible hair care products that can instantly transform your hair. No gimmicks, only results.